Hi, I found this really nice affordable 1967 Chevy Camaro for sale, and this company actually says $35,444, and there's a phone number that you can call to actually talk about it with these guys. And basically this website is a place where people put up all kinds of vehicles and people can bid on it, and that $35,444 was the last bid, and so it'll be a little bit more, but you know, you probably can actually bid $35,445 for it, and then you can actually call that phone number or just click on the link below this video. Okay, I have a lot of images of this really nice Camaro that's for sale, and you could just watch all of it and then all the way to the end. I have all kinds of information about this car, so check it all out. I love this car and I hope you love it too. All right, check it out. Thanks.